Hello there, family and friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones is back on the road. Well, first let me say one more time, congratulations to all the ones that passed and got the CDL test and are already on the roads. I have a couple emails that I'm going to answer, and I'm going to answer to the end of this video. So stay tuned. I'll see you in a minute. All right. All right, my peoples. Well, first, let me say I have a couple of emails that I'm going to answer, and I'm going to answer them now. And then a couple of emails are, Joey Jones, what do we have to do to join you? What do we have to do to be part of you? What do we have to do to have you as a mentor, as a trainer? You know, it starts today. So if you want to become a Swift driver, now is the time. We're hiring. Actually, right now, Swift has over 39 terminals across the U.S. So from the state that you're in, you're going to be able to go to the terminal and then get your schooling. And if you already have your experience, all you have to do is just give them your information. And then, of course, you have to have a clean background, and then be drug-free. You don't want to, do drugs or drink. And that's what you want to do. Now, if you smoke, I highly recommend for you to stop, because smoke kills. Smoking does kill you. And especially the vaping thing, it's the same thing. It's going to kill you even worse. So stay away from that. And then if you don't smoke, the good thing about the benefits, when you have benefits, once you qualify for your benefits, you're going to be deducted they'll deduct $11 out of your premium. So say, for an example, if you're going to pay $31, they'll deduct $11. So all you do is just pay $20 every month. That's not bad. And then we're hiring. We have Intermodal, Home Daily. We have dedicated accounts. We have regional accounts. We have over the road. If you want to be over the road driver, you can become an over the road driver, and you can work your way up or you work your way down. So if you want to be home every night, then it all depends on what experience do you have, and what level of driving experience do you have. Now, if you're over 6 months experience, or you have a year, then you're in Intermodal. Again, I did a couple of videos on Intermodal, and then we'll get to that detail later. But then again, Intermodals are day cab. Every time you see a day cab, you're home every night. Now, sometimes if you do have to stay, they'll put you in a hotel. You will pay for it, but then they will reimburse you for it. Okay? Now, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm home daily. Now, if you want a dedicated account puts you in the house every 6 days. So that's when you do your 34-hour reset. Now, you have a 70-hour clock, and then once you start running low, and you already have like 14 hours, you will call your manager, your driver manager, and then they will put you, on 2 loads or 3 loads, and then you work your way home after the 6th day when you're on a dedicated account or a regional account. And I'm talking about 34-hour reset. Now, I'm going to have all the information on the bottom. All you have to do is just call Megan Baldwin and tell her that, listen, Megan Baldwin, I want to become a Swift driver. I don't have experience. I want to go to the schools. You're going to love the schools. The facilities are great. These people are great. You're only going to do 3 days. You're only going to do 3 days if you're an experienced driver. Now, if you're going to school, then you're going to do, I think it's 2 weeks or maybe less. It all depends on you and how fast do you learn. Okay? Now, all this information, I'm going to have it on the bottom. All you have to do is just tell Megan Baldwin, I'm interested. I want to become a Swift driver. And then just tell her that Joey Jones, they'll know who it is. They know who it is. Tell her Joey Jones, reference you, and then that's all you have to do, and just be positive, be safe, and be clean. That's basically what it is. We're looking for drivers. We're looking for honest drivers, and that are willing to put some miles in if you want, or be home daily, or whatever you want, whatever is comfortably and whatever gonna make you happy. So just do that, and I'm here, and who knows if I'm gonna be the one training you. So so yes, I'm excited. I'm so happy to share this with you. So now it's the time. So all you have to do is just just look in the bottom, all the details is there. All right. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Subscribers, all the family, friends, and viewers. Thanks, man. I'm here for you. Like I said, and I'm trusting. I don't get paid for this. I don't get paid for this. It's just a blessing for me to help people. That's all. And I always said it. God is good, and God has always been good to me. So and of course, He can be good to you too. So I'll keep in touch. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. God bless.